Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into ChatGPT's free tier and all the amazing things you can do with it. I'll walk you through 5 awesome features with real-world examples, and you can see the features here. And they are search the web and obtain up-to-date information, analyze and extract insights from your data, upload images or files in your prompts, discover and use GPTs, and create images in ChatGPT. I'm gonna put this link to my description so you can read it for yourself. So let's get started. So for the first example, let's talk about searching the web for up-to-date information. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to search the web for the latest news about Rocket Lab and summarize the 3 most recent developments in their launch, services or space systems, including any specific mission details or achievements. And I have the prompts ready written in my notepad, so I'm just gonna copy and paste them to ChatGPT. And I'm going to also put all of my prompts to my description so you can use it for yourself and try them out. And there you have it. It gave me a good answer, and I'm not gonna go through them, but it gave me also citations to the website that it used, so you can click it and you can see it here. Next, let's analyze some data. I have a dummy CSV file with my 2025 monthly expenses, groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment for January to June. I'll upload it and ask, analyze the CSV file of my monthly expenses for 2025, provide insights on my spending patterns, such as which category I spend the most on, any trends over the months, and suggestions for saving money. You can upload a file to ChatGPT from the plus sign and add photos and files, or you can do it like me. I'm just gonna drag and drop it here, and then I'm gonna copy paste my prompt from my notepad, and let's see what ChatGPT has to say about my expenses. And here it gave me a quick summary that my rent is the largest fixed cost, and second biggest is groceries, and then utilities and entertainment. Now let's get creative with image uploads. I've got a photo of my living room. Let's upload it, and I'll ask, suggest 3 affordable decor ideas to make it look more modern and cozy, including specific furniture or accessory recommendation based on the current style. And I actually generated this with ChatGPT. This is not my living room. So I'm just gonna drag and drop it and then copy and paste my prompt from my notepad. And let's see what ChatGPT has to say. And there you have it, 3 recommendations from ChatGPT. Next up, let's try image generation. You can generate with ChatGPT images, for example, for your social media posts. And I have my prompt ready, copied, and I'm just gonna paste it. And let's see what kind of picture ChatGPT generates me. And here you have it. It generated me a social media post that you can use for your own coffee shop. Finally, let's create some content. If you run a small business or just love social media, this is for you. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a catchy social media post for a small coffee shop promoting a new seasonal latte, including emojis and call to action to visit this weekend. I'm gonna again copy and paste my prompt from my notepad, and let's see. There it is. It wrote me a pretty good social media post in less than 5 seconds. And for the bonus part, we are going to talk about GPTs. And you can find the GPTs on the left sidebar and you just click it. And here you have different GPTs. So let's pick one. And here you can use this GPT as your personal fitness coach. And you can ask it to write you just a basic workout plan for this week. And let's see what kind of workout plan this fitness coach creates me. So here it's asking me what's my current fitness level. So let's say I'm a beginner. My primary goals are gaining muscle, and my workout is done in a gym. Well, here it's asking me a bunch of questions, but you get the point. You can use this as your own personal fitness coach. That's the end of the video. I hope you learned something new. I hope this was helpful. Please remember to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell if you want more tips. And please comment down below if this was helpful. Thank you and see you next time.